In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to upload a prospect or customer list to Google Ads for remarketing, brought to you by ClickTrack Marketing. Understanding how to effectively upload and use your prospect or customer list in Google Ads can be a game changer for your marketing efforts. So let's dive into this process step by step, ensuring you have all the information you need to make use of this powerful tool. First, you'll want to open your internet browser and navigate to the Google Ads homepage. This is where everything will begin. Once you're there, click on the Sign In button found at the top right corner of the page. This will take you to a sign in section where you'll need to enter your Google credentials to access your Google Ads account. If you don't have an account yet, this is the perfect time to create one. Once logged in, you'll be directed to your Google Ads home. This is your centralized hub where you can manage all aspects of your Google Ads campaigns. Next, direct your attention to the top menu bar and click on Tools and Settings. From the drop-down menu, navigate to the Shared Library section. This menu is critical as it houses essential tools you'll use regularly. In Shared Library, you'll want to select Audience Manager. This is our gateway to creating and managing your audience lists. Now here's where it starts to get exciting. You're going to click on Create Remarketing List. This option allows you to specify the target audience for your ads, enabling you to re-engage with people who have already interacted with your business. Within this remarketing section, select Customer List. This is the key feature that lets you upload the contact information of prospects or customers you'd like Google Ads to target. Once you have clicked on Customer List, you will be prompted with the option to upload a file manually. This step is vital as you're going to upload your CSV file, which contains the data for your customer or prospect list. Keep in mind that before uploading, it's essential that your file follows Google's formatting guidelines. This includes ensuring that your data is organized correctly and securely. Google takes privacy very seriously, so your customer information should be handled according to their privacy policies. And there you have it. You've uploaded your customer list into Google Ads, setting the stage for sophisticated remarketing campaigns. Remember that regularly updating and managing your audience lists can help keep your marketing efforts targeted and effective. Thanks for watching, and feel free to explore more about optimizing your Google Ads campaigns in our other videos. Happy marketing!